Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome to this new YouTube channel called Alex's Art Tutorials. In today's video, I will be showing you how to draw doodles and characters. So first, get your pen. The pen I am using is a black Bic marker, which some of you at school may call it BIC pen. So I hope you've got all your pens, pencils, colouring pens, colouring pencils, sharpeners and everything ready. So let's begin by drawing our first character. So step 1, we're going to draw a circle like this. Draw a medium-sized circle for the eye, like this. Have you got that, guys? Draw a circle like this as the eye. Next, we're going to draw a line going down the eye, like this. Then we're going to draw another line going across, like this. Then we're going to draw the circle. We're going to draw the little circle, the dot, full stop for the eye, like this. Step 2, draw the nose. So we're going to draw the nose like this. If you've ever watched The Simpsons, you know this is how to draw their noses. So draw your nose like this. Step 4, draw the eyebrow like this. Step 5, draw the teeth. 1, 2. Step 6, draw the ear like this. As you can hear, it's raining outside, which is raining non-stop, so we hope the rain will stop soon. Next, step 6, draw the other ear like this. Step 7, draw the head. Draw the head and the hair like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Then we're going to draw the rest. We're going to draw the rest of the character like this. Put in the comments down below, what should I name this character? Put it in the comments down below. Next, step 7. We're going to draw the neck like this. And shade in the neck like this. Step 8. We're going to start drawing the arms. To draw the first arm like this. And the second one the same. Step 10, draw the line, 2 lines going down like that. 2 lines, 2 lines. Next, you're going to connect the lines like this. Connect the 2 lines like this. Step 11, draw the torso body shape like this. Draw the torso body shape like this. Step 12, draw a little doodle character like this. Draw a little character like this. Next, draw the hands like this with 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 13. Draw the legs. 1, 2, 1, 2 lines. 1, 2 lines. Now join them up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now draw the shoes. 1, 2, 1, 2, like this. Now shade in the shoe with the black BIC pen, or I call it Bic. Draw shade in the shade in with the Bic pen, like this. Shade in like this. Shade in like this. Shade in like this. Shade every part that you missed in. Shade every part of the body in now. And the legs. And the legs. And that's how you draw a character. We hope you've enjoyed this art tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this new YouTube channel called Alex's Art Tutorials. That's Alex's Art Tutorials on YouTube. And finally, step 14. Don't forget to put your signature down below. My signature is LX Wharton. LX Wharton. And if you're interested in my art, please go and follow me on Instagram, AlexTheArtist22 on Instagram. That's AlexTheArtist22 on Instagram. And Alex the Doodler on TikTok. That's Alex the Doodler on TikTok. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's try the goal of 100k likes. That's 100,000 likes on this YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye from Alex's Art Tutorials. I'll be doing these art tutorials from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday from 7:30 p.m. This is just a one-off special at 5 p.m. I'm also going to be doing another one tomorrow at 5 p.m. That's tomorrow at 5 p.m. That's all from today's episode. Join me for tomorrow's episode when I show you how to draw doodles. That's how to draw doodles tomorrow at the same time on how to draw doodles. Thank you. Goodbye from Alex's Art Tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to Alex's Art Tutorials for more content. Goodbye.